In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Protect tab up top over here, and then you can see it says Mark for Redaction over here on the right-hand side. So click on that, and then from here, you basically have to draw out rectangles wherever you want to redact. So, for example, over here, I'm going to go over these three titles, and I'm going to actually hold down my left mouse click, drag out the rectangle, and release it like this. I'm going to do it for this one over here as well, and then for this one down here as well. Now, whenever you do that, you can basically hover over these things, over these rectangles, to see how they look whenever the things are redacted, and you could also resize them in case you made a mistake to actually fit everything inside your redaction. So that's the first way, the first thing you have to do. After this, you can either apply all up here, which will apply all these redactions, and they will no longer be just the markups, but actual redactions, or you could go and, of course, for example, select these. So this one, hold down your Control key, and this one, and then click on Apply Selected, and only the selected ones are going to get redacted, and this one is still just marked. But of course, if you want to redact all of them, you can just click on Apply All, and all of these are going to be applied as redactions. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.